Okay, so let's start. This is this is page 6. Page 6, question 4. So let's do this question. So as you can see, this, in fact, you can cancel the term. That's why you will leave it 2 minus 1. Here 1 becomes 1 here because this is cancel. Okay, what you get here, and then 2, 5. So which means that this is, you have 3 more left here. So at the end, write down the answer. This one. Okay. Okay. Then 4b. 4b. It is this and this one. So as you can see, this is a plus. Unlike this one, this is multiply, but this one is plus. You have to find the common denominator. So how can you find it? If you forget, you can recall something like this. So how should you do? What should you do? We should find the LCM of 2 and 3, right? Which is equal to 6. Oh, let me put it away first. So this is 6, right? So which means the new denominator would be 6. So this one, if you want to have 1 to 2 become 6, both numerator and denominator you have to times 3. Well, this one, if you have the whole term want to be 6, 3 want to be 6, then the whole term have to be times 2, both numerator and denominator. So you have something like this. So obviously, you have to find what is the common denominator of 4D and 6D. So obviously, it should be 12D. The problem is how 4D become 12D. Both numerator and denominator times 3, right? 3 times 3 gives you 9. Well, this one times 2. Both sides times 2. You have an invisible 2 here, right? Invisible 2. So that's why you have this one. And at the end, you get the answer of this. Is it okay? Okay, the last one. The last one is, and this one. So first of all, you have to find a common denominator again. Obviously, you can say this n minus 5 and this 10 minus 2n. They must be related, right? They must be related. But first of all, let's do something in order to make them look alike. So let's change the sign. So focus on here. These two. We change the sign. So it will become something like this. Because when, for example, this one, when we pick out the negative sign, what do we get? We pick out the negative sign. We have minus 10 plus 2n, right? They are the same. When you multiply the negative here into negative 10, you get plus 10. When you multiply the negative here into plus 2n, you get negative 2n. So in fact, they are the same. Which means it looks like this, right? So can you see here? Can you see here? So how about this negative sign? I pick it out, and times this negative sign, which give me the plus sign. It's okay? It's okay? Okay, similarly, the same trick. And then you get 5. This one. Good enough? Okay, 5a. 5a, you have to make u to be the subject. So first of all, write it down, the whole equation. And then try to make it more simple first. So you times here, we times this whole term to another side. And then break the bracket. This times u, this times v. So give you rv and u plus v. So if as you are going to make u to be the subject, so what are we going to do would be put u on one side and put other thing other than u on the another side. So we put u, this u transfer to here, which gives you this one, and this transfer to another side. So we have the plus v. Don't mess up with the u and v, okay? And then the next step would be factorization. Because we only want u, u is the subject, only u. So, and we have something like this. And at the end, this is the answer. Okay? If you, after doing this process, you found there's a u on the other side, which means that you made some mistake. When you're going to make someone to be the subject, this one, the subject only appear once. For example, this u only appear here once. You cannot find any u here. No, okay? So, and then you're going to find the answer doing, yes, find the value of u. Put back those number, and then you will get, so 18 plus, sorry, the camera is a bit, yes, okay. So R would be 10 and V would be 18. And then R, again, minus 9. So what you get here should be 198 divided by 9, and should be 22. Okay?